Welcome to the 1 Million Mile Road Trip, and every year what I try to do is clean out my water heater. Even though we do not use our water out of the sink for other than washing, taking a shower, we drink out of our Berkey. And this right here is where I'm going to drain the water heater from. This is a plug. Now, most water heaters in RVs have anode rods. They're about this long, they stick in there, and as the water, the incrustations and stuff get into your water tank, the anode rod actually just eats it out and drain the water heater, and I'm gonna clean it in the water heater like this.
You got it all over your face.
Well, make sure when you do take the anode rod out of the water heater, you do it slower than I did it.
Obviously.
Because it got all over the place. And this is the anode rod right here.
I hope
we have to replace this anode rod.
Got the open road ahead of me, chasing highway lines to get to my dreams. Moving on. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't there yet. Let this heart of mine be the GPS. Moving on. Moving on.
Alright. This is all the stuff coming out. And this is something that I have here, I bought. And you go up in there and it just gets the stuff out of there. But you can see the anode rod right there.
I'll get a picture in a second.
This anode rod here.
Man, you can't clean it off?
No, you got to buy a new one. This anode rod here, you got to replace, and it will last about a year, and it just gets all the sediment out and everything. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to let this all come out of there, wash the things. The water is not hot. I turned it off, water heater off last night. Once it gets out of there, then I'm going to push this up in there and really wash it out.
How many gallons does it hold?
10 gallons. And we'll go and get a anode rod today from somewhere.
Look at
Or
that.
either order one.
Man, that is... You can see the stuff coming out of there still.
Right. You should do this once a year to replace the anode rod, and if you have it done, they charge you about $150 to do it at an RV place, right? At an RV place. So I've just decided I just do it myself from now on. My other RV did not have an anode rod in it, the Fleetwood.
Look at all that stuff. Oh. What? What is that stuff?
It's just stuff off the anode rod
like a
and
gel.
other places in there.
Oh.
Anyway, this needs to be done at least once a year because water from every area of the country is different, and that anode rod really sheds and collects all that stuff. So, all right, what we did, I went by Menards up here in Wisconsin, and they didn't have an anode rod the size I needed, but they needed the RV place, so I bought a long one that goes into a regular water heater, and they just told me to cut it off, so that's what we did with a hacksaw. And now we're going to put it in here. Okay, we're over here, and we got this anode rod that myself and Dina sawed off, And now we're going to wrap it white tape so we don't get any leakage out of the pipe. It needs to be. It should have been wrapped the other way, the way it's screwed in. That way it'll help it do it. Okay.
I didn't know that.
Okay. Just a little thing that my father told me years ago.
So do it this way?
See, I'm going to screw it in like this. So you want that tape to wrap around good.
This way?
No, the other way.
Okay. This way?
Yes. There you go.
I thought that's the way I had it.
No, you didn't.
Okay, you sure?
Yeah, pretty positive.
It sure looks like to me I had it the right way.
Okay, looks good.
That looks good?
Looks
you
good.
approve, Mr. Green?
I approve. Okay, now, this thing will go. Now watch it don't fit. I'm gonna be ugly and upset if it don't. No, it fits.
You don't need to be ugly and upset. How about that?
I know, my daughter says I have a perfect life.
You do.
Oh, this is not good.
Well, you didn't throw away the other one, right?
No.
No, okay. That's all that matters. Okay, that's good, right?
Yep. Just want to do it
You don't want to strip it.
snug. That's all you want to do. It doesn't leak.
Ooh. Okay.
It does have an anode rod.
Oh, look.
Me too.
It's on your... It's,
Okay, put it over here.
okay, that's something you... Oh, no, it's on my shirt.
Alright, wait a minute. This, alright. Thing is, when we undid it, it sprayed us because it had pressure in there. We should have gone in there and turned it on. It's all over my shirt.
I know, it's all over you.
And your shirt too.
I know, and if it don't come clean, I'm going to be mad. I don't
It
think...
ought to.
I don't know. Ooh, this is my favorite shirt.
Okay, turn it off.